We made a big mistake buying a Zyker instead of this GLS 450. It's all just fun and games, friends. Today, we are reviewing the 2023 GLS 450 diesel version straight from the factory. The car is completely new with only 13 kilometers on it. Under the hood, it has a 3-liter diesel engine with 300 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. The multimedia system includes two 12.3-inch screens. Of course, there's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, and the high-quality interior assembly effectively isolates passengers from city noise. The third generation of GLS has an increased wheelbase, ensuring plenty of space for passengers in the third row. There are two touchscreen displays for controlling multimedia, navigation, and seat positioning. And don't forget about the automatic curtain. Premium sound from Bormister with a total of 13 speakers throughout the car. It's huge.